President Tinubu, this message is for you. You know you are not the one that won this election. The election was rigged. The evidence is there that the election was rigged. And you are not the one that won the election. Peter Obi won election because of tribalism. You people take it with force. Bribe all the people you bribe. And now, look at what is happening in Nigeria. Because you have entered into a seat that does not belong to you. President Tinubu, His Excellency, people are dying in hunger. Resign from that seat, because since you become the president of Nigeria, hardship everywhere, hungry, everything price high, dollar, petrol, everything is on high prices. Resign from that seat, because you are not the one that won this election. Resign from that seat. If other ministers of God will say to you, congratulations, His Excellency, I will not tell you any congratulations, because I know you are not the one that won this election. I wonder what is happening in this country called Nigeria. I wonder what is happening to so many called ministers of God. They know that Tinubu is not the one that won election. Why are you telling him congratulations? You know, Bible said that we shall know the truth, and the truth shall set us free. And all of you know that Tinubu is not the one that won election, and was telling him congratulations. Let me ask you a question before I land off. If we are in the time of Elijah, if we are in the time of Moses, if we are in the time of Abraham, if we are in the time of Jeremiah, Ezekiel, do you think that if such thing happened in Israel, that, for example, after voting, and the king rigged election, and everybody know that he's not the one that won the election, and Elijah or Moses or Elijah or Ezekiel, all these old prophets, we come to that same king that is not the one that won the election, telling him congratulations. Anger of God will fall upon that prophet immediately. Resign. Nigeria are suffering. Nigeria are crying. Resign and hand it over to the person that won election. I have spoken.